April 21, 2014. Thwack the somewhat circumstantial in an otherwise situational realm. The tractable is not quite financial when poverty-stricken is so over the whelm. Though admissible such business and pleasure, the brainwash for the minutiae don't care. Runners boner an additional measure. Mainstreamers with so much to never quite share. The runner's boner may hap thee another wrong way. Such minutiae to finish where the start is not permissible. Some pretending or so to otherwise what's defining the immeasurably unpretentious though actable. The winners and losers immiscible. Formulated for the so much the tractable. Whenever the boyfriend comes back, so little is anyway any longer allowed by anywhere somewhere else the municipal, so much bound to be met with a boner-crunching thwack. Rupert likes to rhyme. It's entertainment. That's entertainment.